Oh, it's like 5 o'clock. Oh yeah, 5:02. Oh wow. Well, welcome, girl. Oh yeah, welcome. Anyways, welcome. I'm only gonna do 3 eggs today. Oh, gonna mix that up and throw that in. So you're about to have dinner. Overcomer, it's 12. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Overcomer, you're the same time as I am. Oh, wow. Are you just heading home from work? Or is it that you're off today? Or you're just chilling and vibing today? You're Sometimes I take out the white part. I don't know why. Oh, you're just chilling. Oh, cool. Overcomer is chilling and Neuro is chilling and Overcomer is working. It's very sunny. Yeah, it's very sunny here in Canada because we have our summertime. So yeah, summertime for us. So it's very sunny. When you're doing your eggs, you can put whatever you want in it. So a little bit of oil. This gets hot so fast, guys, because it's so thin. Put that in there. So what kind of fun stuff do you do in Ireland, Nira? So if I come to visit there, what do I look forward to doing over there? It's very fascinating. Fascinating. Ireland. You made lemonade. Oh, I love lemonade. I love lemonade. Especially on hot days, lemonade is just a good drink to have. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you could do so, and you're gonna see me making some lovely watermelon juice and stuff. I've also made some green juice and stuff on there, some punch. You could check it out. Give you some ideas for your summer, for your summer drinks. Again, welcome to Food-Farrell'S kitchen. All right, so those eggs are pretty much almost done. Just gonna put it on the plate. Doesn't take long to cook eggs, guys. Not long at all. Let's see. Taste not, want not. Okay, so I just rinsed the same pot out. Let's put this aside. I'm gonna heat that up. I'm gonna start making that roti. Just want you to see how it's done. You subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.